Welcome to Snowbird in the summer.
So what we're just a tram ticket? What are we getting?
Snowbird K-A-T-I-E.
Perfect, thank you. So then the total for 4 activity passes comes to $304.60.
That is the motor and the pulleys for the cable.
Where is the tram?
Alright,
Here, this
tram
way.
loading is this way. Let's go.
There's barely any.
There's a window right here.
There's the door.
Once it moves, this will have a good view.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, we need the background as like not the building.
This?
With the better background.
This is a lot smoother than the Palm Springs.
You don't like the trees?
I'll take it anyway. There's the coaster.
You went to Whistler in the summer?
Yeah. Oh wow. That's a little close.
This is why I took my hat off. I didn't want to block the view.
Looks like a Jenna hopper across the valley.
I wonder if the barrels are added ballast because they have fewer people getting onto the ship. Or if you're always there.
It's a triple black diamond slope right there. You think you could ski down that path?
Oh wow. That's a black diamond.
Yeah, there's the snow. Ooh, it's
If
getting
anyone
cold.
needs to sit down, let me know. I just was trying to lower the
I
view.
want to go the other side.
Yeah. It's like a reverse zip line. Watch when we cross over these trestles, there's a little bit of a delay.
Oh wow, I didn't notice the hole in the floor. Did you guys see the hole in the floor? Right, the window? Look down.
Hey, now he's moving his
When you hit it, it's such a slope, maybe if you fell, touch and roll.
Over here. We'll help you.
Hey, neither.
Good. On
more. Yeah, let me try.
Okay, but careful with your tongue. You keep hurting you're gonna hurt your thumb. Tell me how you want.
Maybe I'll go inside. Excuse me? Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me?
Good.
I probably could try that.
Have you ever been up there to see the spin around?
Spin around.
It hasn't gotten anywhere. So. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I bet. So you have. Yes. Give it.
No.
Oh, look, they're hiking on the snow. Backside ski lift.
Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Snowbird in the winter Wasatch National Forest. We are pulling here into Hidden Peak, and Hidden Peak will be at 11,000 feet above sea level. While you're up here, please do not dislodge, throw rocks, snowballs, and anything else downhill, as there are likely people below you. And the aerial tram is scheduled to operate 11 a.m. till 8 p.m. today. We are running every 20 minutes. Please keep in mind that schedule can change at any time due to inclement weather. So the tram moves on the hour, 20 minutes after, and 20 minutes till. Feel free to spend as much time up here as you would like. Come down on any tram you'd like to come down on. Please keep in mind, though, 8 p.m. is our last one, so if you haven't come down on one before that, please be on that one.
Yeah. Good.
Make sure you have your phone.
Wow.
We're not going down.
Down the valley is 90.
You can take that.
Oh, it's the chairlift. So you can ski down into that valley.
Oh yeah, that's the chairlift. How do you get on? This is a
Set my wheels up to date.
we're riding on ice and yeah, see clean sand right here. Want Bob's clean sand? Bob's clean sand is right here.
Oh, it's snow in July.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yes, I found it. And there's no problem. Actually, that wasn't so bad. I made it up.
Oh, a nice food bar.
Can I go get some food?
Nice, very pretty. You get some good photos? Good, then post. I know you like to post the photos. And make your mom happy.
I have some mac and cheese. That's not true.
It's is where you work on your skis, tighten the bindings. Whoa.
Mom, you can load. The tram's here. The tram's here. Come on.
Energy storage is take something heavy up the mountain, then you can roll it down later.
That's cool. Wow. Did you stand on top? Say hi. Hi. Baby, you?